I'm not going to take Uso Phatz anywhere. I'm going to take him straight to my family and say, this is the father of my children.
Hey, I'm not claiming you, all right? I know we got the same nose. But I don't care.
Ladies and gentlemen, with love. Ladies and gentlemen, with love. Hamo 87.5. What's that one?
Make sure you grab your tickets for UB40, January the 31st.
That's right.
Ali Campbell for the first time live. And we'll see you there.
Let's go.
This might be Ali Campbell's last run.
Whoa!
I'm joking. Much love, but you know what I mean. He might retire. So you gotta embrace this last little. You never know. Yeah, you never know. So
That's right. Tickets are being sold through MyCash. Get your tickets today, and family overseas are buying tickets and coming back at the start of the year.
It's a good time to have it because everyone's on break, you know.
Yeah.
Just a little reset. Come over here, get to watch UB40 and Ali Campbell live. So, yeah, man.
But yes, boys, let's check out some of the answers that were sent in from the people of Samunda. The question was, where will you take Lucia Jax and Lucia Phatz Whakawhao, or take them out to hang out? And let's see from our text line what the answers were. Somebody said... 3853 said, I would take them to our piggery farm and have a umulu au and taro with size 2 for lunch and beautiful view of the harbour from the mountains.
Oh, wow. That's God nice.
Yes.
yeah,
And a romantic. We'll
hold you to that.
From 4514 says, I think it's better to walk them up Mount Vaya. They said they need strong inner breath, ready for the show nights, and then they can decide to bathe in the stream below or continue straight to their show. Malo lava. It was a bit creepy there.
Just Le Lava hearing what... What's that mountain?
Oh, Mount Vaya.
Oh, Mountain Vaya.
Mountain Vaya.
8230 says, we need to take the boys, Uso Jax and Phatz, to JP's gym, not JP's sports bar.
Yeah, so is everyone just fat shaming? Is that how they roll over here inside?
Tell it. Everybody. Somebody says, please ask Phatz to say, I don't care. And ask Uso Jax to say, you're pissing me off. I got a couple of fans listening in my Lenita out.
All right, you ready?
Yeah, man, that fan's pissing me off.
I don't care. And most of the answers that were sent in, it's like people want to take you guys up Mount Vaya. So that's something you guys should do.
That's crazy.
Why? How long's the walk?
Huh?
And how long's the walk?
It's not that deep. It's not that wide.
Hey.
It's not that deep, not that wide. Wait, what is it? Is it object?
Are we going down or are we going up? Lele, yeah, not gonna lie to you guys. It's a 30-minute up and 10 minutes coming down if you're a professional. But if we're just starting up, it's probably like an hour up, an hour down.
Oh, yeah, so for me and the cuz, maybe 3 hours up. 1 hour down.
Thank you very much, Digicel, for making it happen. Thank you to Samoa in partnership with Agency 43 for bringing the boys in the studio. But of course, thank you very much, boys, for being in the studio. Thank you for being good sports and, of course, taking the hammering from the people of Samoa. That's how we do it. That's how we show lava. We say jokes, but deep down, these jokes, they kind of hurt.
Yeah. I will go and cry out later. That's why we wore glasses.
You've got to write a formal complaint.
Yeah.